Hi, this is Kevin here with the WP Ninjas, and I wanted to go over very quickly a new feature that we're adding to the next version of Ninja Forms, which is calculation fields. Calculation fields will allow you to add, subtract, multiply, or divide based on the contents of other fields. Now, this is a very quick example form that I've thrown together. It's a t-shirt ordering form, although calculation fields will be able to be used for more than just that. I'm going to select a design, and I will select Ninja Turtles from my list of ninjas here. So I select Ninja Turtles, and you'll notice that subtotal has increased to 15 and total has increased to 15, and $15 is the cost of the Ninja Turtles design. I can select a size, so if I'm extra large, it'll add 10 to subtotal and total. I can select a color, so if I select blue, it'll add 5. If I select red, it'll add 10, and if I select purple, it'll add 20. If I want long sleeves, I can check this box and it'll add 10. If I uncheck that, it'll subtract rather the 10 that it added. Now, one of the really neat things about the calculation fields is being able to combine them with conditional logic to get some really cool stuff. So in this example, if I select the state of Tennessee, it will automatically add a sales tax. So it automatically adds tax, tax total, and total. If I change that state to any other state, it will remove the tax, and the total will just match the subtotal. So that's one of the neat things that you can do with calculation fields and conditional logic. Now, I'm also going to look real fast at the back end editor and what calculation fields look like on the back end. Now, you'll have to forgive me because this hasn't been prettied up. This is the bleeding edge version of the calculation fields. But this is my long sleeves $10 checkbox, and I have a calculations section here, and I have a place to tell it what calculation that this field should affect, the type of calculation that it's going to do, the amount, and then whether it should do that if this box is checked or this box is unchecked. Now, if I have a list of items, it's going to give you different options. I could add calculations if I wanted, and I can select the calculation I want to add that to, select the operation, and then put in my value. So we're not going to worry about that right now. The other really neat thing about calculation fields is the ability to use advanced calculations, and that's how I'm doing subtotal and total. So this is my total calculation, and it has a little formula here, a little mathematical equation, and that is how it gets the total. So field 12 is my subtotal box, and it just multiplies my subtotal by my tax field and adds that back to my subtotal, and that's how it finds the total. Now, if you're a developer on the back end, you will be able to access all of these values using new calculation methods. So there will be a Ninja Forms processing calculation method for each of the fields, and a way to get all those totals in a really nice, neat package. So that's calculation fields. We're really excited to get it out there. Again, this example I used an order form, but the calculation fields are going to be so much more powerful than just order forms. I'm really excited to get it out there, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks. Have a good day.